YouTube.
Hey, yo, Ren.
What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Prince, aka PKY, and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I may or may not be cutting off my entire hair in this video. But in order to find out, you gotta stick around, watch the whole video in order to find out. But before we get into the actual video, I just want to say, I was actually preparing like a different video. I wasn't gonna upload this video, but I like to put a lot of time and effort into my videos, so I'm gonna take my time, get that video ready, all done and set for y'all, man. But all right, y'all. So like I was saying, I wasn't even gonna drop this video. I was gonna drop a different video today, but my previous video, which was the mid taper fade tutorial, it's doing quite decently. So I was like, why not just fuck around and just go ahead and drop another tutorial for y'all? Because like I was saying, I like to put a lot of time and effort into my videos so that it come out good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm just gonna drop this video, drop this for y'all, another tutorial, see what this do, you know what I'm saying? Kind of keep a little consistency in the on the channel, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna drop this, then the next video is gonna be a banger. I'm gonna tell you that for sure. It's gonna be a banger. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on that video, drop that for y'all. But yeah, for the meantime, y'all enjoy these tutorials, man. But alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start the video. As y'all can see, I've been combing out my hair before I start every haircut. Like I said in the previous video, gotta comb out your hair, gotta comb it out, whether you gotta brush it out, comb it, whatever you gotta do. Make sure your hair is lifted up before like you start with the clipper and everything, start cutting and everything. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Picking out my hair. As y'all can see, now I'll come back and comb the size that I'm actually gonna cut. Yeah. This is like before every haircut. You gotta do this before every haircut, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just to lay your hair down. It gives your hair like room. Separates the hair you want to cut from the hair you don't want to cut. So yeah, do that every haircut, man. But hey, man, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, if you're a new viewer, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, join the PKY gang. And yeah, man, if you're new, you're welcome to the channel, man. Let's get into the video. But before we start the cut, you gotta put on your barber cape. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting on mine right now. Gotta do this every haircut. I mean, not every haircut, but like, yeah, you gotta do that. Put your barber cape on. Yeah, get right into the haircut. Make sure that shit is fitted on me. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this haircut. First things first, I'm gonna line up my back ear as I'm showing you out right now, because sometimes I should be looking crusty, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and line that up real quick. But yeah, as like I'm showing you out right now, I already cleaned up my clipper, disinfected everything out, so you better not come for me in the comments, you heard? But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Line up my back ear, brush it down real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and set in my first ball line. And with this taper fade, I want to have like a curve looking fade. So I'm gonna like set the guideline in the curvy like circular motion, like as y'all see right now, because I want the taper to pop and I want the fade to pop really well. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go with the curvy look as y'all seeing right now. But yeah, then I'm gonna clean out the excess hair that's left underneath it. Clean that out with the trimmer, as y'all seeing. But yeah, man, as y'all see, getting rid of that excess hair underneath of it, because we don't need that. So we're gonna get rid of it. And as y'all see, that ball line is looking clean. As y'all seeing right there, yes sir. I'm gonna come in with my shaver, and what the shaver does is it makes the haircut last a little bit longer than just using the trimmer. But yeah, I'm gonna do both sides. I'm gonna do this side as well. Then I'm gonna come in with my clipper all the way open, guard lever all the way open. Lever all the way open. Go about an inch high because I want to do a high type of fade. So I'm gonna go about an inch high. Then I'm gonna come in with my one guard all the way open as well. Always gotta come in open, like I said in my other video, all the way open, man. Because you can cut hair off, but you cannot put it back on. You feel me? So always gotta come in all the way open. Go about an inch. Depends on what kind of haircut you get it. Right now I'm doing the high tip of fade, so I'm going about an inch high. But if I was going for a mid tip of fade, I'll probably do like a finger's width. Going to the top. But yeah, I'm gonna come in with my 2 guard all the way open, lever all the way open. You know what I'm saying? Debug a little bit. But yeah, I'm not cutting too much hair off. But yeah, I'm just debugging, creating shape, as y'all see. I'm gonna come in with my 1.5 guard. As I'm pointing right now. You can see that line. I want to blend that line in, going into the top, into the hair, into the blend. As y'all see. Now I'm gonna blend from top to bottom, as I'm showing y'all right now with my hands. But yeah, I skipped the whole step right here. 'Cause I didn't come in with my 0.5 guard before the 1.5. But yeah, y'all get it. If you wanna, like, it's the same. It's not really complicated shit. But after the 1.5 guard, you come in with the 0.5 guard to blend in the line that's underneath the 1.5 guard line. But yeah, I'm gonna come in with my lever all the way open, blend in the last line that I created with the, as y'all see over there, with the trimmer. Blend that in and kind of detail a little bit. But yeah, man, I don't want to talk your head off because I already did this tutorial. It's literally the same thing like I said in the previous video, my mid-tip tutorial video. It's the same steps, same process, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna stress that enough. The same thing. I'm not doing anything differently. Same thing. Right now, I'm kind of detailing it a little bit with the corners, as y'all can see. Like, I flipped the clipper sideways, and I'm detailing, as y'all see. Y'all see the blend is coming in a little bit, slowly but surely. But yeah, we're only doing the side tapers today. I'm not gonna do the back because I'm trying to grow the back out. So I'm not gonna do the back. But yeah, the other side as well. Hey man, so as I showed y'all right there, I finished the other side of the taper. But y'all probably wondering, like, why the fuck this nigga hair so pushed back like that? I was just preparing for the lineup, man. Don't get at me in the comments. But yeah, my hairline is not pushed back. It's just my hair. But yeah, so y'all see, I'm preparing for to line up the, you know what I'm saying, line up. Come in with the water. Make sure the hair lays down. This is not alcohol. I don't know why I'm being so extra, bro. But yeah. Bro, why the fuck are you dancing? Let's get to work, bro. Yo! Alright, bet. He's back. But yeah, wipe that down with a tissue. So with the lineup, I always come in the middle with the trimmer. Come in the middle with the trimmer. Then I'll move from left to right or right to left. Whichever way suits you, that's where you're gonna go. I tend to go both ways sometimes because, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm used to cutting my own hair. But if you're not used to cutting your own hair, make sure you find, like, the place you're used to going first. That's like a pointer right there. I'm gonna go that way. But if it's this like your first time cutting your hair, make sure you find what you're comfortable with. Then, you know what I'm saying, go with that. Then make it a routine. You feel me? But yeah, I can go both ways because I'm used to cutting my hair. I've been cutting my hair since high school. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Lining up. Now I'm gonna do the corners as I'm showing y'all right there. do the corners real quick. I'm gonna disinfect my razor blade. Now I already done the corners with the trimmer, lined up the corners. Now I'm gonna come in with the razor. And when you're using the razor, make sure you pull your skin, bro, because you don't want your razor cutting you. Pull your skin to the opposite side to where you're using the blade, so you don't cut yourself. You feel me? But yeah, make sure you pull your skin so you don't cut yourself, because safety first. Whenever you're using a sharp object, you gotta be safe, because like you don't want to cut. I cut myself a few times. Boy, that shit don't feel. That's not the best feeling, bro. I'm telling you. Especially with the razor on your face, you cut yourself. Boy, that shit hurt. But yeah, make sure you always pull your skin to the opposite side from which you're cutting, so you don't cut yourself like I'm doing right now. Pull your skin always. But yeah, coming with the razor really gets the line up to pop. Why is bro getting jiggy, bro? What is going on with this nigga? Yo. But yeah, like I was saying, the lineup really makes the razor really makes the lineup pop. So like it gives it kind of like, you know what I'm saying, the look to it. You give it a look to it. Like it makes sure the lineup pops. But yeah, I'm gonna do my slit. As y'all been seeing, I just do the one side, the left side of my eye, and I just do one slit. I don't go extra and do 2 or 4. Just do one. Alright, y'all. So this is how we're looking after the haircut. You know what I'm saying? We're looking good. We're looking crisp. We're looking slashed up. You feel me? But that's how we're looking. I'm not really gonna sponge my hair today because it's kind of too soft. And whenever I do that, when my hair is soft, my hair kind of start falling off. But I'm gonna come in with my olive oil coconut spray. This is like an after cut spray. This shit smells good as fuck. I ain't gonna cut to you, but yeah. Damn, that boy sliced up. But yeah, man, we're gonna go in with the spray. Like after spray, you feel me? Gotta close my eyes because I don't want any get in my eyes because it stings a little bit, you feel me? But yeah, get in there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that bit was up. That bit was up. Get in there right quick. But yeah, I'm not really gonna sponge out my hair. Hey, but y'all really thought I was gonna cut my hair off? Y'all really thought I was gonna cut my hair off. This shit is not coming off anytime soon, bro. I'm keeping it P. Like, I'm not cutting off my hair till I actually do something with it this time. You feel me? I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm just keep growing it out. Cause like I'm trying to grow the back hair out. What the fuck, bro? Why is this nigga getting jiggy, bro? It's that, you know, it's not me, bro. Whenever you get a haircut, all my fellas get this feeling. Like whenever you get a haircut, you be feeling different. You feel me? Hey man, you know what they say? When you feel good, when you look good, you feel good. You know what I'm saying? And when you feel good, you play good. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, all my young niggas, all my young fellas out there, they get it. They get the feeling. You know what I'm saying? After a cool fresh cut, you feel different. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. It's your boy PKY. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all so much. Make sure you keep supporting the boy. And man, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Hope y'all have a good weekend, whatever.
Bye-bye. Come back again soon, okay?